Now that you have done all of this work to get your plan set up, you've gone through all of your default settings and set up all of your annotations and all of the way that you like to work and how you want your drawings to be. You've done a lot of work during this plan to get those types of things set up. So for your next project, you don't want to have to go through all of that again and set up every text style and every leader line and all of those things. You want to have these preset for you so that next time when you open a template, it doesn't go to the default template. It's going to open up your own template with all of your personal settings, how you want it to be. So the way that we do that is, so we've got this project where we've done all the work. So all we're going to do is go here to File, and we are going to Templates, and we're going to save this as a template. And it's going to give us this dialog box. And so you can tell it to delete certain things. So you can get rid of any of this information that you've put into this project. So you can get rid of your client information, your material list, all of these things that you don't want to go over, and then it will save everything else. It will save all of your default settings and all of the other settings that you have done. It will save. Okay, I'm not going to have it delete any of my unused layers, unused line styles, because some of the stuff I've got set up and I may not have used it in this plan, but I want them available next time if I need them because I've set them up for myself. So maybe I don't use everything in every plan, like my wall types, for example. I don't use every wall type in every plan, but once I've created them, I don't want to have to make them again, so I want to have those available. So I'm going to keep those. So these things you'll just have to decide what you want to keep, and you can always go in and create a new template next time. So each time you do a project, this could evolve, and mine certainly does. My sheet sets evolve, my title block evolves. All of this evolves as I get more efficient and I find better ways and different ways of doing things. So don't feel trapped by any of this at all. You can always make a new template. So just try this out. So we're going to click OK. And then it's going to take us here to this same folder where our templates came from. And I'm going to see, I have a template that I had set up before for myself, but this is for my for this template. So I'm going to call this my course plan template. And just save that, and that's it. All right, it's automatically opened a new plan for me using the template that I just set up. So it automatically opened that. But what I can do here, if I'm opening the program new and I'm starting a new project, I can go to new plan from template, and then I can choose my Chief Architect course template here. So it's already got one open. So the other thing I can do is I can go over here to my preferences, and I can go here under general to new plans. And this is where I can tell it what template I want it to open here. Whenever I open when I just click new plan, and it automatically opens a template. So here's that template that I just set up. So I would choose that and click OK. And now every time I open a new plan, that's going to go to my template that I set up for myself that has all of my plan sets and my defaults and everything in it that I want to be able to use every time. So then I would just click OK. And now every time I open a new plan, it's going to have all of my settings, and I don't have to go through that all over again. So that is an amazing feature, and we can do the same thing over in our layout. So now I've got my title block and things set up in here how I like them. So I can do the exact same thing here. I can go to templates and I can save it as a template. And again, it will ask me what I want to delete. So so I've got, any tables, anything like that. I could leave the text in there if I wanted to, because I've set up I've set up this text and these text items, so maybe I don't want those to delete. So I will just click OK. And it's the same thing. It'll take me here to, I'll just keep that as my layout. No, I'm going to call that my template. And now it's opened a new layout with this template, and it's saved my text and my table here that I put together. So it saved all of the text, and it saved my page views as well. So now I can go in also into my preferences and set this to open as my default page template every time I open a new project as well. So I can go over again to my preferences, to my new plans, and here on my layout template, I can change that to my course template here. So now every time I open a new template, it's going to open to that. So click OK. Just close that. I'm not going to save it, but let's just do a new layout, and see, it automatically opens to my template that I've set up for myself. So now I don't have to ever rebuild my title block or anything like that, and you can set them up for all your different page sizes however you want to set yourself up for the best efficiency.